Welcome friends, I am Urmila Gurgude and in our third standard class we are going to learn shirt and tie card origami activity. So let's do it. We need two colored sheets. So let's do it. What's this page? Page number 44. Craft time, origami shirt and tie card. This is what we will make today, and we need two types of paper. Here this is the folded paper, full sheet it is. Look at this, like this. And see the first step, fold the blue paper diagonally to make a triangle creased well, and then again unfold it in this way. It's better to take it in hand. Not a proper shape. Unfold it, we get a clear paper. And keep it like this and read the second one. Step, fold two adjacent sides of the paper to meet the middle crease as shown. After folding, flip the paper over. Okay, well, this is the middle crease, and fold two adjacent sides up to that middle crease. Okay, well, that's not happened properly. In this way, and now flip the paper like this. Then fold the narrow end upwards approximately 3 centimeter as shown. Approximately, it is no need to count 3 centimeter. This much only I know it. You can count, no problem. This much. And after that, fold the tip back to the straight edge. Again, fold it back. This way. And then fold the crease, the shorter edge, to place it 1 centimeter below the tip as shown. Flip the paper over. Look at the next page. Fold two longest edges towards the middle, meeting at the crease. So this is the crease. So again we have to fold. So look at this paper like this. First folds are in this way. When we use that middle line and fold it again in this way, and when we flip it over, we will get a correct tie like this. So well, now come to the next step. Fold the orange paper into half. In this way we fold it. Before that, cut this unwanted part properly. And then match the edges. Push it back. Now keep it aside. Cut along the line drawn. Well, read it. First of all, open the card and on the inner side, open this card, inner side, mark 3 cm from the top here and draw a straight line as shown. Well, we will do it. So up to this 0 to 3, and this side also. Zero to 3. Then draw a line. And again we have to continue this line up to 3 semi. Okay, let's read the next step. Cut along the line drawn till the center fold. Now mark 3 cm on each side of the center as shown. So we have to cut this much portion. Keep it like this, and this portion we have to cut. In this way, this step is shown. Now keep the paper like this type. Again marks as 3 semi. And from this side also. Now read the next step. Make cuts on either side up to the mark. Okay, well, and fold the pieces you cut down to make the collar like this. Up to the mark we have to cut our paper. Up to the mark means 3 cm each. In this way. This side also we have to cut it. so that we can easily fold the paper. In this way, we have to fold these corners up to their mid, so they are not. So friends, when we join these tips, we get a collar type shape. Here a little difference I have found. So I cut both the sides. I take a smaller cut more. Okay, if your sheet is in proper shape, you don't have that problem. Now come to the ninth step. For pasting the tie, flip it and apply glue on the top portion as shown. Carefully open the flaps of the collar and stick the tie. Press it a little so that it sticks properly. Okay, well, we will do it. This is our tie. So we have to flip it first and then apply glue. So let's read the next step also. Make strips on the tie and write Happy Father's Day inside the card using a sketch pen. So let's draw the lines first. It's easy for us to draw the lines on the tie separately and after that stick it well. Okay, it's better for us and the easy step too. Start drawing lines like that. We fold our paper many times, so it is difficult to get a straight line. That folded lines disturb us. Enough, that much. So flip it back, apply glue. Try to find out the center of our collar. And after sticking our tie, press it well, it's difficult. This side too, small glue. Wait till it dry. Okay. In this way. Now write Happy Father's Day inside the card using a sketch pen. So inside this card write Happy Father's Day. Okay. This way we will get our origami shirt and tie card. So complete this activity at home. Enjoy that activity and gift this card to father after writing Happy Father's Day. Well, we will meet in the next period with the next activity. Till then, goodbye, good day, and take care.